Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will delve into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.61. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of -19.63%. This translates to an average loss of -1.09% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -11.44% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -22.59% to +24.47%. Examining the longer term, our analysis over a 12-month period indicates a projected change of -8.13%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -18.43% and +79.64% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price ranging from $2.87 to $6.32. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, "Red Day on Wednesday for NIO stock after losing 2.76%. The NIO stock price fell by 2.76% on the last day, Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, from $3.62 to $3.52. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.39%, ranging from a low of $3.42 to a high of $3.57. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 7.37% during this period. Additionally, volume increased on the last day by 177,000 shares, though this occurred alongside falling prices. This could signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 28 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $99.28 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 54.35% or $4.19 below the 52-week high, and 94.75% or $63.47 below the all-time high reached on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO recently experienced a decline in its stock value exceeding 30% following a disappointing earnings report. However, several factors may lead to a shift in market sentiment. Notably, the ongoing trade conflict between the United States and China could inadvertently benefit NIO by reducing competition and pricing pressures in the premium electric vehicle segment, where it primarily competes with Tesla. As uncertainties driven by tariffs shape market dynamics, this shift could position NIO more favorably, potentially stabilizing its stock in the short term. Additionally, the launch of the NIO ET9, now equipped with advanced haptic technology, signifies the company's commitment to innovation and premium offerings, enhancing its appeal to tech-savvy buyers. Increasing vehicle deliveries and improved gross margins are also promising signs. Nevertheless, NIO needs to refresh its model lineup and diversify its revenue streams without relying solely on price reductions to regain long-term investor confidence. Amid these developments, the stock may encounter volatility, especially if it approaches critical low points. Investors should closely monitor how NIO adapts and responds to both market conditions and competitive pressures, as these factors will heavily influence its stock performance in the future. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was also reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September 2024, it was additionally reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The NIO stock currently carries a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This situation arises because the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $4.19. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $3.43. A breakout above the long-term average would result in an additional buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would generate another sell signal, reinforcing the overall bearish outlook. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, currently presents a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, necessitating closer monitoring of the stock. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and thus far the stock has risen by 12.1%. Additional increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivot signaled a buy opportunity 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggested a buy signal 27 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 5 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 16 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average issued a sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 11 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.46, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant intraday movement, leading to high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 15 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 4.39%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.10%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for NIO, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and could point to potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 13 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO stands at $3.98. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.46. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade was on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several concerning indicators, leading us to believe that it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is inflated. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of April, we anticipate that NIO will open lower by approximately $0.0167, beginning trading at $3.50. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before purchasing or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.